Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to GoMahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Analytics account and how to add Google Analytics code inside your website. So for creating Google Analytics account, you need to have a Gmail login inside your browser. Once that is done, go to Google Analytics and click on Start Measuring. And here you need to write down your account name. I'm going to write down my website name, that is GoMahamaya. And once that is done, scroll down. Next option we have is account data sharing setting. By default, what is the option Google has given is quite awesome. Select these and click on next. Then you need to enter your property name. So here you need to understand two things. Number one, Google Analytics allow you to create an account, and number two, Google Analytics allow you to create multiple properties inside the Google Analytics. One properties contain the data for one particular website. You can add multiple subdomains or subfolders in case if you want to track that particular domain. For more better explanation, I'm taking you to Google Analytics account. Inside that we have admin. Inside admin we have two parts. Number one is account and then we have property. So you can create accounts, and inside account you can have multiple properties, and each property represent a website. So you can choose by going to this one and you can add a number of properties and track their data. Similarly, we have account and then we have property setup. So we have to write down the name of the property. So I'm going to write down GoMahamaya again. Once that is done, you need to select your country, reporting zone. I'm from India, so I'm going to choose it like India. And here you need to choose your time zone. Once that is correct, click on currency. And my currency is rupee, Indian rupee. Once that is done, click on next. And here you need to write down business information. Currently I'm having a small team, 1 to 10 members. And then how do you intend to measure Google Analytics with your business? They just want to take a feedback. So you can check any of these options. I'm going to choose other and I'll click on create. Here you need to accept the Google terms and condition. So check this and click on I accept. Once you accept the terms and condition, you'll land on the Google Analytics data stream. You can reach this option also from the front end also. Let's say I go to home, and inside home we have admin. Inside admin we have account that I shown you. Next option we have is data stream. And in case if you already have Google account and you want to create a new property, then you need to click on create property and add the website detail in same way that we taught you earlier. Now you need to enter your property name, that is GoMahamaya, or your website name. I'm going to write down GoMahamaya 1. You can change your reporting state, time zone, currency. Once that is done, click on next. And here you need to select the industry. Like you can choose anything, it's not going to affect your business. Choose the size of your business, click on create. Now if you go back, you have option to choose between the property. Inside data stream you have three options: web, Android, iOS. Currently I'm going to talk about a web. So I'll click on that. Here you need to write down your website name. So my website name is GoMahamaya.com. I'll enter my website name, and here stream name is like also GoMahamaya. And this is some of the measuring events the Google already created for your campaigns or the analytics account, such as web page, scrolls, outbound click, site search, video engagement, file download, form interaction. In case if you want to uncheck any of the options, go to setting and say I don't want to track these things. Let's say you don't want to track outbound link. So you can say uncheck this and click on save. Currently I'm not recommended anything to uncheck. Click on create stream. Now once you click on that, inside data stream I'll again take you to the same page. Inside data stream you added your website. Inside website you will see view tag instruction. You can click on that, or you can click on view tag instruction, click on that particular data. And here you have multiple options where Google is telling you to scan your website and detect these plugins whether you have installed the code or not. We want to go for the manual because manual can be used in any format. Let's say you are using WordPress, Shopify or any other format. Manual works in a better way. So I'm going to copy the code. I'm logging inside my website. Now you have to hover the plugin, click on add new, and here you need to write down the term header and footer code. So this is the plugin that we are going to install in our website, and it has 1 lakh plus active installation. So it seems quite awesome. Even the rating is quite good. So write header and footer. So this is the plugin that I want you to install. Click on install, click on activate. Once that is activated, hover over tools, click on header and footer code. Here you need to paste your code inside head of your website. So once that is done, scroll down and click on save change. Now go back to your Google Analytics again and cancel this one, and you need to wait 48 hours to check the real-time analytics of your website. Still, you can cancel this and go to your home. It will take approximately 40 hours. Once you add your code, you need to wait 48 hours in order to see the data in your Google Analytics. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.